Welcome to Dr. Square. This is Dr. Muhammad Awais, and I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity.ai for free. But before I begin discussing it, make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Let's get started. Open Perplexity.ai in any web browser. They offer limited use of their website without an account, but it's better if you create an account. So just go to sign up. Continue with these platforms like Google or Apple, or you can give your own email address and hit continue with email. You will receive an email in which you will find a link to sign in to perplexity.in. It will look like this. Give any username that is available. Hit continue. It is not available, so if I try Dr. Awais, yeah, that was available. So try Pro if you want to purchase it, $20 per month or $200 per year. For now, I'm just skipping it. Yes, Perplexity is available for your iPhone or Android phone as well. Hit finish. So here the real magic begins. If you want to create a new thread, simply hit Ctrl plus I. So it will open a new thread. Anyways, if you want to turn Copilot on, simply turn this on. So let's try one of these prompts. Can aging be reversed? Let's try this. Yes, found 20 sources. These are the sources. Answer is this. So you can find relevant images to your query here. So these are the images related to that. You can search videos as well. You can generate image as well, but that is only available for premium users. So if you go down, what could be the related queries? What are the most promising methods for reversing age? If you open it, Copilot will search for that prompt. And the same procedure will begin. So this is how Perplexity works, but wait, it's not over yet. If you go to home, now if you hit at focus, you will see different options. If you want to search in published academic papers only, you can set the tone to academic. Or if you want to simply writing something, select this one. If you want to use computational knowledge engine, this is the right option. Reddit is also available, but for now let's explore YouTube. Now you can search anything within the boundaries of YouTube. Let's explore something about Dr. Scare. Eight sources. So these are the thumbnails of the videos uploaded on Dr. Scare. And if you go down, you will see what topics are covered in Dr. Square's video. Okay. Psychology, sociology, search methodologies, data analysis, academic writing. Wonderful. That is also correct. And if we search the images, yes, this is the icon of the YouTube channel. So if you go back to home, you will see the same interface again. So if you go to discover, you will see different news here. If you really like this Perplexity.ai, you can buy it to try Pro. We will come back with more tutorials, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching this.